Hi, today I will be showing you how to fix battery draining quickly on smartphones. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's start. Now, there are a few ways on how to basically fix battery draining quickly on your smartphone. First things first is the notifications and status. Here, in order for you to fix a draining or battery draining quickly, what you're going to do is you need to turn off notifications here, especially app notifications. So when you have a lot of app notifications turned on, your system has to wake the screen, vibrate or play a sound, run background processes to fetch or display notifications. So what you're going to do here is to turn off unnecessary applications or applications that you don't really use frequently. So in order to do that, you just have to turn this one off. So basically, if you turn off or you disable app notifications, your device doesn't have to run apps in the background to check few alerts. All of these actions use battery power. So even if you're not actively using your device, it will slow or it will quickly drain your battery. Another thing is this display and brightness. As much as possible, you need to decrease brightness right here and switch to dark mode. So the more dark pixels you have on your screen, the less power is needed to keep it lit. So this can significantly reduce the overall power consumption on devices. Another thing is that the sound and vibration, as much as possible, you need to turn this one off, as it also one of the reasons why it can quickly drain your battery. Another way to fix battery draining quickly is go to your privacy, and this time you have to go to location. So scroll down here, tap location, and then this time, as much as possible, you have to select a never on location section or turn this one off. So when location services are on, your device frequently uses GPS or Wi-Fi networks to pinpoint your exact location. This constant tracking drains the battery, especially when your apps or when the apps or the systems are running location-based services in the background. Lastly, go to battery, tap on save power, extend battery, and as much as possible, turn on super power saving mode or power saving mode. And basically, these are a few ways or a few methods on how to fix battery draining quickly on smartphones. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.